Hey guys, welcome to my channel, the Telangana Girl Hustle Puzzle. This video is really special to me, which is made for my brother's new car. So he bought an Volkswagen Medipatnam, Hyderabad. He bought a Volkswagen Taigun car. This is how the showroom looks like. We got the delivery sometime after the office, so like 8 p.m. or so. So this is my brother and sister-in-law unveiling their car. We got a cake from Karachi Bakery. This is how beautiful the car looks like. It's in metallic grey color. We had a cake cutting post that. On-road price for this edition was around 14 lakhs INR. Look at how beautiful the finishing and the make is. Volkswagen is definitely one of the safest cars in India. The drive has been really amazing. This is a 1.5 liter engine. Look how beautiful the finishing looks like. We got a TR number and the permanent registration has to be done within a month of the car delivery. This is the performance line manual car. 1500cc and a 6-speed manual transmission one. The showroom people has guided us really well throughout the process, starting from the booking till the delivery. We also have taken some good pictures here. He is Anil, the showroom manager who guided us with the process. You can contact him for great corporate discounts or all the possible combinations that you can do within this offers for any of your cars within Volkswagen. He's one of a great guy. So we took the car. I feel really happy for this special moment. The interiors also have been looking really amazing. One of the greatest SUVs in this budget range of 10 to 15 lakhs. It's almost night and we left for dinner in this car. This was our new car. They have a hoarding here stating Taigun. This is the cake which we got. Those are the set of keys which the showroom people were giving us. And then we went for car puja. We went to Chilkur Balaji temple then as a first ride in our new car. Then we had the puja done in a nearest temple that we had near to my brother's home. This is my mom, brother, sister-in-law, me and my husband. These are some pictures which the showroom guys have sent us during the delivery. They have taken their phone. Overall, I really loved the vibe of this Volkswagen Taigun car. I highly recommend taking any Volkswagen car. I really don't know much of the technical specifications, but yes, drive-wise, this is one of the superb cars that I have seen. Congratulations to my brother for his new car. Thank you so much everyone. That's it for my today's video guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the Telangana Girl Hustle Puzzle. Stay positive, stay healthy.